Because what I wanted to say was Dinosaurus. That is not the name of this bag. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a little review slash unboxing. Not really unboxing because I've already opened the bag and I've already used it once, but more of a review so I can show you guys a little bit more around the bag, the size, the spec, the color. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into today's video. So firstly, we went in to pick up this bag in person in the Harrods store in London, and turn this off. And the customer service was wonderful. We were attended to straight away. The sales associate was so helpful, and I got to play around with a couple of the other bags, but I fell in love with this bag. Okay, so it comes in this gorgeous Gucci green box. Of course, the box is embossed in this sort of a detailed print. It's a good quality box as well, so if you ever want to keep your boxes for storage or display, it's perfect for that. I tend to keep my boxes and the little travel bag that it comes with, so it makes it easier for storage, and I think it's just perfect if you want to keep your bag in a good condition. If you ever want to resell your bag, it's always good to keep the box, so that's a plus. Let me get the bag for you guys. I am so excited. So of course it comes in the dust bag, yada yada yada, and look at this baby. Look at this bag. Now, this is the Gucci Dionysus bag in the size mini. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the way I wanted to pronounce the name of the bag was just completely going to just finish me on this internet. I had to do a couple of YouTube video research to make sure that I do not mispronounce this word. Now, I'll probably still mispronounce the word, but it's not as bad as what I wanted to say. Because what I wanted to say was Dinosaurus. That is not the name of this bag. So this is the Gucci Dionysus bag in the size mini. Now I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see the colors in this bag. This bag is absolutely gorgeous, and when I saw it online, I fell in love. But when I saw it in person, it was like, yeah, this bag was made for me and made so lovingly. So originally, I don't know if you guys remember, a couple of years back, Gucci came out with this bag, but in a different colorway. I think it had the suede here instead of this beigey color going on. I'll insert a picture of the previous season here, so you guys can see the contrast. But this new season's drop, I had to get, because I have been loving and wanting this bag for a minute. So yeah, so let's get into the details. So first of all, this design is typical of the Dionysus bags. The color of the bag is beige and white, and it is an oatmeal leather finish. It also has the hand painted sides, and it also is hand stitched to finish, which I absolutely love. One thing I love about more luxurious bags is the fact that so much effort, so much detail and a personal touch goes into these bags, so you do kind of feel like you're carrying a one-of-a-kind piece, a handmade piece just for you. So it also has this chain strap over here, which you can carry as a shoulder bag or a side bag if you want. For me personally, I feel like the side or the shoulder strap detail is not a good look for me. Where I would want it to hit me around the torso area, it actually hits me more on the hip area, which I feel like is a bit low for me. It's too low. Where I like my crossbody bags to usually sit is round about the just upper stomach slash right here. So I think I would mainly just be wearing it as a shoulder bag. So the way you open and close this bag is with this pin closure detail. So you just turn it to the side, click there, and then it releases. Now, I didn't realize that it had this detail, but I love how you can open it and then you have a different compartment here, and then you put the flap down and you have the main storage space here. Now, hold on, I've used the bag. I used the bag once last week, so it's just got a couple of things inside. Let me just take these out. Inside the bag is this beautiful cotton linen detail. It is, for me, I would say it's quite spacious because I do love mini bags, and some of the mini bags that I've had don't have as much space as this one. What I actually thought I wanted was the Super Mini, but I thought the Super Mini was called Mini. But the Super Mini is more of a wallet, and then they've just added a chain, whereas this one I feel like is more of a bag kind of feel because you can actually put a lot of stuff inside. Whereas the Super Mini is more like your keys, your card holder, and then that's it. This fits a lot, and I will show you guys what actually fits in my bag. I've got my iPhone 11, I can fit in here perfectly. And I'm pretty sure if I had the Pro Max, it would probably fit in here too. So my phone fits comfortably inside, and there's still a bit of room here to play with. The concept behind this bag, from what I was reading, is the fact that Gucci wanted it to be a timeless piece in your wardrobe. So the neutral colors, the creams and the beige is obviously timeless colors, they're neutrals. So it's more or less going to go with a bunch of different outfits that you've got in your wardrobe. And I'm pretty sure you could take this bag into the summer months. So I absolutely love this bag. I think it's so cute. Like, I feel like they did have some other colors, but because I'm still trying to build up my bag collection, I'm leaning more towards the neutrals at the moment. But I think if a bag was to scream Tasha, this would probably be a green, an orange, a blue, some kind of wild and just beautiful color. But for now, I think this is, this is Tasha toned down a little bit, but I love it. In terms of durability, the material is actually made out of a canvas material. So the sales associate did let me know that this is more durable in the long run. And don't quote me on this, but I don't know if this is a limited edition or not. But I know that it's new season. Get your hands on this bag. It's absolutely beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure you give your girl a big thumbs up. If you've not subscribed yet, please make sure that you subscribe because we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I would love if each and every one of you could be part of that journey and part of my story. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.